Good morning student, as in continuation with chapter number 4. So in the previous video we discussed about how growth and development are different from one another. So today in this video we are going to discuss about lifespan development, which means how development takes place in an individual's life. So children, the term development means it is a process by which an individual grows and changes throughout the life cycle. So children, the lifespan theorists believe that development is a lifelong process. No single age period is more crucial characterized or dominates human development, which means we cannot say that the development is only possible at a particular age group, and development is mostly influenced by experiences. Now children, major characteristics given by the lifespan perspective are: number 1, development is lifelong, which means development takes place in all age group irrespective of their age. Since an individual takes birth, from that period to an old age the development takes place. And children, when development takes place, a person goes through a positive experience, whereas some of the individual might go with a negative experience. So it includes both gain and losses. And these development may affect an individual's behavior, and dynamic changes may also occur due to the negative experience. Now children, the second is development is multidirectional, which means we as a human being change across the 3 general domains, that are physical domain, cognitive domain, psychosocial domain. Now children, if we talk about the physical domain, changes can be seen in height, weight and sensory capabilities. Whereas if we talk about the cognitive domain, changes can be seen in intelligence, perception and interpersonal relationship with family, peers and friends. Whereas if we talk about psychosocial domain, it focuses on the change in behavior, emotions, self-perception and interpersonal relationship with families, peers and with other people in the society. So children, to a large amount, our culture also play an important role on individual's life. Now children, the third developmental is highly plastic. Now children, here they have used the term plastic. In some, changes could be permanent, whereas the changes could be temporary. So children, if we talk about development is highly plastic, which means within a person, changes can be found in psychological development, which comprises of intelligence, personality. So each and every individuals differ from one another, which means people also vary in their skills and abilities, and they can improve their abilities in different fields throughout the lifespan. Now children, if we talk about number 4, development is influenced by historical changes, which means development is largely influenced by where we live, with whom we live. For example, if we are being a part of a family with high socioeconomic status, to a large extent development of an individual living in a low socioeconomic status would differ. So people in their historical background having a good education system or being a part of good schooling, parenting, family background, all are these conditions which influence an individual's development. Now children, if we talk about development is the concern of the number of disciplines, which means culture factor also play a very important role in an individual's life, which leads to an development. For example, life events in everyone's lives are not the same, such as death of parents, accident, or traumatic events which are not under the control of an individual's may affect an individual's development. So these are the conditions which have a negative effect on an individual's life. On the other hand, if we take an example of person winning trophies, award in a particular field, or getting a good jobs, then the impact of those conditions would be positive on an individual's life. So children, by this we come to know that the development is a process which keeps on changing according to the condition of an individual, and to a large extent our experiences also play a very important role. Historical background also play a very important role in leading to a good developmental stage.